Have you ever tried to fit an image into a tricky shape in Photoshop and ended up frustrated? Today, I'm going to show you how to master Frame tool so you can effortlessly place images into any shape, even those at weird angles. Hi there, I'm Dr. Pooja Jaisingh. I remember the first time I tried placing a screenshot into a tilted laptop screen. I wasted hours fiddling with transforms, never getting it quite right. But once I discovered the frame tool, everything changed. Whether you're designing an e-learning slide, mock-up or presentation, this trick is going to save you so much time and frustration. Let's start simple. I've got a slide layout where I want to place an image of a person neatly into a designated area. First, I'll add the image and resize it to something more manageable and small. Next, I select the frame tool just below the crop tool and draw a rectangular frame where I want the image to go. Once that's done, I place the image into this frame and press Command plus T key or Ctrl plus T on Windows to resize and reposition it. Instantly, the image is confined to the frame, making it look perfect with no extra cropping or masking required. Now let's tackle a more challenging scenario. Fitting a screenshot into a laptop screen that's at an angle. First, I'll add my screenshot and size it down. To handle the perspective, I'll grab the pen tool or just press the P key and set it to shape mode. I'll carefully trace the laptop screen by clicking at each corner to create a custom shape that matches the screen's angle. Once I close the shape, I'll right-click on the shape layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Frame. With my new frame ready, I'll place the screenshot inside it. Now here's the fun part. To match the perspective, I press Command plus T key and then hold down Command or Control on Windows while dragging each corner. This lets me distort the image to fit perfectly within the angled frame. Once I'm done, I'll press Enter and just like that, the screenshot sits perfectly on the laptop screen. Also, you don't have to feel limited to rectangles or squares. You can convert any shape into a frame, even circles or custom polygons. Just draw your shape, right-click and convert it to a frame. It's that easy. If you need to swap out the image later, just double-click the image thumbnail inside the frame. Update it, save, and you're done. The frame stays intact, adjusting to the new image automatically. And that's it. With the frame tool, placing images into any shape or perspective is a breeze. It's a small change to your workflow, but it makes a huge difference in the time and effort you spend on fitting images perfectly. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite Photoshop trick? Or what kind of workflows would you like me to cover next? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, happy designing!